Today I'm getting my Suburban ready for a little road trip that we're doing this next week. I've got some packages to return to a couple different places, some stuff for Goodwill, and then we need to get it all cleaned out and ready to go. I forgot that it's Saturday and post office closes early, so this little package is gonna have to wait till later next week. But I got my UPS returns done, and now we're gonna go get my car cleaned up. Oh, I forgot, we have to stop at Goodwill for some of these lovely items. Outside has now been washed. I'm going to take a minute, vacuum out the inside, then it should be all set. It just ate my dress. Oops. I usually give the inside a thorough wipe down as well, but because we're about to leave for a trip, I decided not to put the effort in, and I'll give it a good deep clean when we get back.